Yes, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Palantir. What's going on with Palantir? So, guys, so today I tell you yesterday about the Palantir when it's trading around 23 that Palantir is going to break out and we are likely to see up even $34 if I remember very well. But what happened after earnings? So let's see what's happened after earnings. So here there's the earnings. The earnings surprised by 2% or 3%, 3.5, and revenue was that 18 million, almost 19 million, which was 3%, which is good. So you beat earnings and revenue, but what's happened? Stock dropped. So where this technical charts was showing us, guys, the stock is already going up there, and what will happen if this stock will drop? So we want to see previous earnings, and then I will come to comment what will go to happen. So let's see previous earnings. Here we are going to see the earnings who came August 2023. Stock was coming down. It had earnings and then it didn't beat earnings, and it was sure that this stock, but we had these charts which say it was rating pi on that time, and then after we found this candlestick, and then during the earnings we didn't beat any earnings, the stock came down. Okay, now let's go to current right now, what charts will tell us. So so here the charts, what will tell us right now, that you see this area on Palantir, you see this, let's call about these two charts here. When you see this chart, two charts here, and also here, you will see difference. When stock was coming down, we had some tight candlesticks, but when you see here, you see it's not a tight candlestick, because when stock open, it's open up here, and then it closed there, and then it open up here, like it leaves some small cups here, which is we need to analyze that cups. We need to analyze those cups, and then you will see the even other stocks which had the same cups like this one, this area I say. So guys, what am I thinking right now? Obvious, if stock will not pump tomorrow, stock is going to open, it's already around $22 here. It's going to test this, I can call a triangle, but I think what I'm thinking, guys, we are not going, if this stock will break $21, it's bearish. It will break this area which around 21.60 something, is bearish. Right now I will not see right now, and everything is going to account from tomorrow. And right now we are going to use Fibonacci retracement to see what is going to happen. So I'm going to use some of this area as a, but I want to make sure, I want to do the long term view to see what if the stock will come. Remember the low was the $7, and right now I'm going to pull this one around $7, because right now we need to have all types of the candlesticks, and anything that is we can use to see where is the, so like here right now, like a weekly, we had this sign say on weekly candlestick, sell the stock around between $22, and we found this last week, and this week open up here, which we don't, on weekly we don't have any sign for telling us buy. So every time say buy, stock on weekly is going to drop, and then they say sell towards the low, and then tell you buy towards the high, and then tell you sell towards the low, and then you see stock. So on weekly candlestick here is not talking well, and here like right now we have around $19.8, 19.7 as a support, and also we have support around 23, which will be resistant. If stock will open tomorrow above 23, 24, we are going to move. So personally, I see stock is going to push upside. So let's see the monthly candlestick. Monthly is look very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. And I will go to adjust the stock to go around $5, where it was a resistance, and we are, yeah, it was a support pair market. And right now here 22.86, it will bring 82. This is the new guys, 22.86, it will break there. We have support around 19.25, and the resistance will be, resistance up here, which is around 27. So between 27 and 19 we are going to play, and the medium will be 22.86. And now I'm going to use different types of the candlesticks, the charts, and to see, yeah, exactly. You see right now, this is what I'm always using, guys. So we are going here. So I'm so sorry to tell you right now, we are going to around 21.87. That's where we are going to see if stock is going to hold there. So we don't have any shortcut. So stock is going to test around 21.84, or recall 22, and we'll go to pause there. If it will fail, we are going to see massive downtrend. And yeah, so that's, I'm always using this one, and I'm going to delete this one right now because I already tell you support will be around 22.87. But like this one is always say this thing is going to dip past 22, less than 22, and then it's going to hold around here. So I want to delete this chart over here and see another different, like EMS. You see exactly, I told you, when stock is bullish, it's always stay above the EMS. When it's bearish, it came down, and recently it came back here. I'm so bullish on Palantir. I think tomorrow what's the name, Wall Street is going to talk about something, and this EMA is extremely bullish. So we are bring everything EMA, SMAs. You see, guys, yeah. So you see exactly around 21, 22. That's where we are going to pounces. And if you fail here now, we will prepare. Whenever stock is above bullish, coming down, is always, you see cross here, it came down around here. And if we close tomorrow and open on Wednesday below 22.30, this is another accurate technicals. Will prepare. But sometimes you see stock testing, it close above, it came here, it did close below, and then it open here, and then that was bullish. And you are going to watch those technicals on and let's see on RSI and oscillation. So this where is the problem now. Yeah, I find the problem why now we need to watch here. On RSI is always measuring momentum, and when you see on the stock RSI is already overbought, and you see also here down here around 70. This is also telling you stock was also overbought. Yeah, that's the reason number one why stock pull down, is because on it's overbought. So I don't think if I can raise this one, and let me see on RSI. on the RSI overbought. You see 96, that is overbought. The reason why stock is coming down is another thing again here now is confusing again is RSI. The normal RSI here is telling you around 67, which is extremely bullish, and this thing may be going to make something like calf before pumping. Yeah, so maybe we'll come to test around 60 something here, around 60s. When stock RSI, remember stock RSI is always moving very fast. Even the stock is going up or down, like you see here. Every time like this one touches oversold, this one was around trading around $20. It reached overbought, this one still bullish, and we don't know. So we are using all of these technicals, and let's see this guy is generating by the charts only, and they will tell you what will be the resistance. So right now it's telling you we have support 22 or 5, and it was support around 23.94. We break that support 22, and if we fail there we have 2018. So guys, on all these charts here everybody is talking, and you see the volume that I've already told you some few minutes ago. This stock was already put, yeah, you see this thing was really, they are really biased, and this happened guys was showing us before stock coming down. So thank you so much. So I've already shown you everything. 22 is everything, below 22, below, let's say below 20 is a pair, and above 20 we are on the bullish, because stock RSI is going to cool down. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.